Young person scrolling phone, stock charts. Soft intro beat fades, and Tossie Advisory Group. Come if you're young and ready to make your money work for you instead of wasting it. This message is for you. Jizz. Welcome to TossieAdvisoryGroup.com, home of the Poor People's Wealth series, including stock investing for poor people and stock investing for broke people. This is your free step-by-step guide to start investing early, build your first portfolio, and take control of your financial future, even if you're under 18. Teen spending, inspiring strings with a steady beat. Most people wait too long to invest, and that delay costs them years of compound growth. When you learn young, you're not just chasing money. You're building freedom. Stick around. We're going to cover everything you need to know to start investing the TAG way: smart, simple, and long-term. Checklist animation overlay with icons for stocks, goals, free trial. Subtle beat continues. Add motion whoosh between lines. In this video, we'll break down what stocks really are, how to invest if you're under 183, how to open your first account, how to grow your money safely, and how to join my TAG Premium 7-day free trial for real-time stock lessons and AI-powered journals. Animation of company logos turning into stock certificates. Calm, educational tone. A stock represents ownership in a company, a real piece of it. When you buy shares of Amazon, Apple, or Walmart, you become a co-owner. At Tossie Advisory Group, I teach you to stop being just a consumer and start being an investor. Own part of the same companies you work for or spend money with. That's how your paycheck starts paying you back. 2 ways to make money. Visual. Split graphic. Dividends on left, price growth on right. Beat slightly lifts with confidence. There are 2 main ways to profit from stocks. Dividends. Money companies pay to loyal shareholders. Capital gains. The increase in the stock price over time. Both are explained step by step inside my book Stock Investing for Poor People, 60-Day Earnings Journal. It's designed for everyday workers, and yes, even teens, who want to track results and grow wealth with discipline. Compound interest, the snowball effect. Visual, animated curve growing steeper over time. Soft piano keys with upward tempo. The earlier you invest, the faster your money compounds. Compound interest means your profits start earning profits. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, small at first, then unstoppable as time goes on. Even $10 a week can turn into thousands over time. The key is to start now. The advantage of starting early. Visual, timeline showing $10 week growth over 40 years. Hopeful instrumental buildup. If you invest young, you give your money decades to grow. Start at 18 and you could be a millionaire by retirement. Start at 30 and you'll spend your life trying to catch up. That's why we teach early investing inside TAG Premium, where your first 7 days are free. Visit TossieAdvisoryGroup.com to unlock your trial and get the same daily investing tools we use in the TAG Lounge. Custodial accounts explained. Visual, parent and teen at laptop setting up account. Calm family tone. If you're under 18, you can't open your own brokerage account yet. But your parents or guardians can open a custodial account in your name. It's your money, invested and growing, while they manage it until you turn 18. Inside my books and website, I show parents and teens exactly how to set this up step by step. Slide 9, passive investing wins. Visual, dollar bills transforming into ETF logos. Calm market graph. Steady, low hip-hop beat returns. Don't chase hype. Don't day trade. Build your wealth quietly through passive investing, buying safe, long-term ETFs like VOO or SCHD, and adding small amounts regularly. We call this the Poor People's Trapper strategy: discipline, patience, and progress. Invest in yourself too. Visual, teen studying on laptop, books stacked with TAG on spine. Inspiring piano and snare overlay. Stocks are great, but your biggest asset is you. Invest in your skills, education, and discipline. Every hour you spend learning pays interest for life. That's why I built Tag Premium, to help you learn stocks and self-mastery. Your first 7 days are completely free. Just go to TossieAdvisoryGroup.com and click Start My Free Trial. Long-term mindset. Visual, calendar pages flipping, automated savings graphic. Motivational tempo picks up slightly. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is when you start. Set up a schedule. Automate your weekly investment. And let the market work for you over time. We show you how to do this every Sunday in our pre-market Sunday sessions inside the Tag Lounge. Chant visual. Teen hands over phone to parent, they smile together. Hopeful outro melody begins. If you're under 18, show this video to your parents. Tell them you want to open a custodial account and start learning early. Grab a copy of Stock Investing for Poor People on Amazon, join our community, and claim your free 7-day tag trial. Because you'll never be financially secure saving your paycheck. But you can build wealth. One stock, one lesson, 1 week at a time. Visit TossieAdvisoryGroup.com and start today. Slide 13, Outro. Visual, tag crest, plus slow motion logo reveal plus website URL. Tag signature outro beat fades in. I'm David Tossie, founder of the Tossie Advisory Group. Thank you for watching and for believing in your financial future. Subscribe for more videos on investing, mindset, and generational wealth. And remember, your paycheck is just the beginning. What you do with it builds your legacy. https TossieAdvisoryGroup.com. Stock Investing for Poor People. TossieAdvisoryGroup.com. Free 7-day trial. Tag Premium Lounge.